Get ready to discover game-changing cooking hacks that will take your skills to the next level. From time-saving tips to flavor-boosting tricks, I'll share the top 5 secrets to elevate your culinary creations. Let's dive in and become kitchen pros together. 1. Quick and easy peel. To peel garlic cloves quickly, place the cloves in a bowl and cover it with another bowl of the same size. Hold the bowls together tightly and shake vigorously for a few seconds. The friction will cause the garlic skins to come off easily. 2. Revive stale bread. If you have stale bread, don't throw it away. Sprinkle some water on the bread, then wrap it in aluminum foil. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 F175C for about 5–10 minutes. The moisture from the water and the heat from the oven will help to freshen up the bread. 3. DIY buttermilk. Don't have buttermilk on hand for a recipe? No worries. You can make a simple buttermilk substitute by adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar to 1 cup of milk. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, and you'll have a tangy buttermilk alternative. 4. Easy eggshell removal. If you accidentally get a small piece of eggshell in your cracked egg, don't struggle to fish it out with your fingers. Wet your finger before attempting to remove the shell, as the water will help attract the shell fragment, making it easier to grab. 5. Prevent overboiling. To prevent a pot from boiling over, place a wooden spoon or a metal spoon with the handle sticking out across the top of the pot. The spoon will disrupt the formation of bubbles, preventing them from spilling over the sides. Remember, in the kitchen, a little creativity and a few clever hacks can go a long way. So go ahead, try out these cooking tips, impress your friends and family, and make your time in the kitchen a breeze. Stay tuned for more amazing hacks on my YouTube channel. Happy cooking!